E. Ability to create effective presentations with common presentation software. FP&A professionals must communicate financial insights clearly, visually, and persuasively. So, the FPAC framework emphasizes that finance professionals should use presentation tools effectively to support strategic decision-making and stakeholder understanding. FP&A resources explain that strong presentation skills help transform financial data into actionable business narratives that guide operational and executive decisions. Modern FP&A professionals are expected not only to analyze data accurately but also to deliver presentations that simplify complex information, highlight key insights, and influence organizational actions. Effective financial presentations begin with clear structure and purposeful storytelling. FP&A communication guidance emphasizes that presentations should explain what happened, why it matters, and what action should follow rather than simply displaying large amounts of data. Presentation software such as Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Microsoft Excel enables FP&A professionals to organize information into logical narratives that are easier for stakeholders to understand and retain. Effective presentations typically begin with key conclusions and recommendations before moving into supporting analysis. Industry communication resources emphasize concise messaging, limited slide counts, and focusing on one primary idea per slide to avoid overwhelming audiences with excessive detail or death by PowerPoint. Visual communication is one of the most important aspects of creating effective FP&A presentations. Financial dashboards, charts, variance waterfalls, trend analyses, and scenario comparisons allow stakeholders to identify risks, opportunities, and performance drivers quickly. Industry presentation guidance recommends selecting visuals that match the intended message, such as line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, and waterfall charts for explaining variances. Effective visualizations eliminate unnecessary complexity and focus attention on the most important insights. FP&A professionals must also ensure visual consistency, accurate labeling, and appropriate formatting to maintain clarity and professionalism. Strong visual design improves audience engagement, accelerates understanding, and enhances management confidence in financial analysis and strategic recommendations. Tailoring presentations to different audiences is another essential FP&A communication skill. Senior executives often prefer concise strategic summaries focused on business impact and recommended actions, while operational managers may require more detailed explanations of assumptions, drivers, and operational implications. Presentation software supports customization through dashboards, layered detail views, interactive charts, and scenario modeling features that allow analysts to adapt presentations dynamically based on stakeholder needs. Effective presenters also anticipate audience questions, prepare supporting materials, and incorporate feedback during presentations to improve engagement and clarity. Industry communication resources emphasize that FP&A professionals should communicate business outcomes rather than technical methodologies when presenting financial information to non-financial audiences. Modern FP&A organizations increasingly use advanced technologies to enhance presentation effectiveness and collaboration. Cloud-based presentation tools, collaborative planning platforms, business intelligence systems, and real-time dashboards allow finance teams to update presentations dynamically and integrate live operational data into meetings. Technologies such as Microsoft Power BI and Tableau further improve financial storytelling by enabling interactive analysis and drill-down capabilities during presentations. However, industry guidance emphasizes that technology alone does not create effective presentations. FP&A professionals must still apply communication skills, storytelling ability, business understanding, and audience awareness to ensure presentations remain relevant, engaging, and strategically meaningful for stakeholders across the organization. As strategic business partners who support organizational decision-making through communication and analysis, finance professionals must combine analytical expertise, visual communication skills, storytelling, business acumen, and technological proficiency when creating presentations with common software tools. Effective presentations improve stakeholder understanding, strengthen collaboration, enhance forecasting credibility, and increase the influence of finance within the organization. As businesses increasingly rely on data-driven planning, integrated analytics, and agile decision-making, the ability to create clear, persuasive, and visually effective presentations has become an essential competency for FP&A professionals responsible for guiding strategic execution, operational performance, and long-term organizational success.